Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yieldstreet Investor Portal login steps, full guide step by step clearly. To access the Yieldstreet Investor Portal, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Yieldstreet website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Once you have confirmed your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to the Investor Portal. In the event you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Following this, enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Yieldstreet. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Return to the login page after resetting your password. Now, enter your email and the new password. Click the Login button again to access your account. Once logged in, explore the various features and investment opportunities available in the portal. For first-time users, you may need to create an account instead. To do this, click on the Sign Up link, usually located on the login page. Provide the required information to complete your registration. After your account is created, repeat the login steps with your new credentials. Once you log in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard to make the most of your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.